What's up, what's up, what's up everyone? It is Jason and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to you about my favorite ceremony speaker ever. And this is not a paid endorsement, affiliate video, or anything like that. I'm talking about the Eleectro Everse 8. It's a powered speaker that I featured here on the channel a couple of times now. I can't say enough about the speaker system, the speaker, the thought that has gone into creating this speaker from the team at Eleectro. They have really looked at a lot of the, powered speakers that are used for smaller applications, wedding ceremonies, cocktail hours, small performances for musicians, and they really leveled up the capabilities of this super compact and incredibly mighty little speaker. Now, I'm a big fan of this speaker. I'm going to put a link if you want to get information on the speaker and all its capabilities in the description of this video, but I want to talk about something that I think is really, really cool and something that I thought of when we were set up for our wedding today, and that is one of the capabilities that I really haven't mentioned here. You know, we use the speaker a lot. We use it as a monitor, reference monitor when we're doing small events. We use it for cocktail hours. We use it for ceremonies. And it's the perfect ceremony speaker for locations that might not have power because the speaker itself can power a microphone unit that's on it. And I think that that's like really, really, really cool because you don't have to worry about getting power. You don't have to worry about cables. You don't have to worry about clutter because this speaker operates self-sufficient, and we use Bluetooth technology to connect our signal providing sound to the speaker, and the microphone is attached to the speaker, so it's literally cable-free and wireless completely. It's just awesome. You could walk and literally use the speaker at the same time with a powered mic and with music. But I wanted to talk about something that I think is really cool, something that I haven't yet featured here on the channel, and that is the thought that has gone into the actual Everse app. Now, you can connect to each of these speakers with an app, and it allows you full control of the individual lines connected to the speaker, all the capabilities of that line, as well as the master control for volume, for muting, and for just mix. You have quite a bit going on in here with the overall equalizer. You can control the phantom power. You control the types of presets if you're using mic or stereo or music. And you have the ability of controlling the bass, the mid, the treble. You have the ability to put on a ducking feature. You also have some effects. You have echo and reverb. You have composition, and you have full control of the actual signal itself. So all you do is we're using a Bluetooth signal to the actual speaker right now, providing audio for today's ceremony. And what you can do is just click on the master level and slide it up, and you might be able to hear that now. And that's actually the stereo, which is being provided, the music's being provided to the speaker via Bluetooth as well. And I just think a lot of people are so scared of Bluetooth, but in a lot of scenarios, this is super convenient. It makes you super efficient, and it's just pretty awesome all the way around. Now, the speaker is a little bit of an investment, but I think for the investment, you get a lot. I mean, we used to use the Bose SP1 system for a lot of our ceremonies. That was another powered speaker. That was a brilliant speaker, but these are significantly louder. And now with this level of control, with the ability to power a microphone from the actual speaker itself, I think it's a win-win. Another thing that's really, really cool is if you are bringing music through that speaker, you can Bluetooth link speakers so that you can provide additional speakers if you need additional sound. Now, if you're doing microphones through the speaker, you can cable them because the microphones don't come through some of the lines, but I actually use another receiver with a wireless transmitter that is coming out from the mix out of our speaker, and we send our signal over to the other speaker where it's receiving that signal from the microphone receiver that's being powered by that second speaker. I hope you follow me. So we have one speaker that's getting a wireless Bluetooth signal to it. On that speaker, we have a microphone that is connected to it. We actually have a two mic system. It's the Sennheiser unit. I'm gonna put links to that in the description as well. And then on the mix out, we send that signal into an instrument pack, providing a stereo line signal, and we wirelessly send that up to 400 feet to extend the capabilities of that system and that speaker, where it's actually being received by a second Sennheiser unit, and then that line is being brought into line 1 of that speaker, which is the second speaker in our mix, and you can continue that chain as long as you need to. And I think that is insane. You get a ton of time with these speakers, and if that's not my cosign of this brilliant speaker, I don't know what else to say. If you're a DJ and you do weddings, you do ceremonies, you're looking for a small compact system that is powered, and you're looking for a time effective and just really, really efficient way to level up your ceremony experience, where you have control over the lines remotely. I mean, you can do it on the speaker as well using the board on the back, but this is a lot to get in a single speaker for under that $800 MSRP, and you can find them for a lot cheaper than that. Just check the link in the description of this video. I'll put links to the speaker, I'll put links to the shelf, I'll put links to the Sennheiser mic kit that we use, that I personally use in my ceremony systems, as well as the linking system, the Sennheiser linking system, so we can extend the audio. And I'm gonna put a link to any other accessory or thing that we use, including the case that I use to transport this system safely. Because if anyone has one of these speakers, you know that the EV bag that they sell with these speakers can't be transported with a mic attached to it. I'm all about efficiency, and I like to transport my gear all together. And to be very candid with you, the box that I use, it's a Pro X box that I found. It fits perfectly. It's got padding on the inside, and it's a win-win all the way around. That box keeps my speaker looking brand new and always working perfectly, and it just keeps the speaker fresh all the way around because it's protected everywhere and anywhere it goes. Yeah, it adds weight to it, but that box actually has a telescoping handle, and it's got wheels on it. So I can throw the speaker on top of gear in my truck, I can put it on the ground, I could use it as a chair, I could do whatever I need for it. We even use it to stand up on if we have to get up high to take a picture during our events. There's just a lot you can do with it. Anyway, links to everything can be found in the description of this video, and I just appreciate you sticking with me here. If you're a fan of this speaker, please smash the thumbs up. You have questions about this speaker, you can check the links in the description underneath this speaker, or leave me a question. I'll do my best to answer it, and if I can't answer it for you, I will reach directly out to my contacts at Eleectro and get you the answer that you're looking for. Anyway, my name is Jason Jani. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got some other stuff on deck for you to check out. Just click into this video right over here. Thanks so much for watching.